Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the glass shelf trim in a Hotpoint refrigerator. It's going to be a piece of cake job. Only take us a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new glass shelf trim. The glass shelf trim holds the glass to the front shelf support. If the glass doesn't stay in place because the trim is falling off, it's time to replace the glass shelf trim. Let's open the fresh food door. Lift and remove the glass shelf. Hold the shelf trim with both hands, turn it and lift the glass. Free the glass and then remove the trim from the support rod. This is the old glass shelf trim next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Snap the new shelf trim on the support rod. Lift the glass and rotate the trim on. Install the shelf and now, when we're done, we can close the door and plug the refrigerator in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.